Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Shiva's half-face sketch using a damru and trident. Let's see if I can pull it off like a pro. In this video, you'll learn how to create a stunning half-face sketch of Lord Shiva, complete with the symbolic damru and trident. Many artists struggle with capturing the essence of Lord Shiva, especially when it comes to details like the facial expression and the intricate accessories. The key to getting it right lies in understanding the anatomy of the face and the subtle nuances that make Lord Shiva's features so iconic. One of the biggest challenges is getting the proportions right, from the shape of the eyes to the contours of the nose and mouth. And let's not forget the damru and trident, which can be incredibly daunting to draw, especially for beginners. But don't worry, with some practice and patience, you'll be creating stunning sketches in no time. Another crucial aspect is capturing the essence of Lord Shiva's personality, which is often depicted as fierce yet calm, powerful yet gentle. We'll break down the sketching process step by step, focusing on the anatomy of the face, the textures of the damru and trident, and how to achieve the right proportions. First, we'll start with the basics, mapping out the facial features and getting the proportions right. From there, we'll dive into the details, adding texture and dimension to the sketch. We'll explore different techniques for creating realistic skin tones and adding subtle shading to bring the sketch to life. And of course, we'll show you how to draw the damru and trident in a way that looks authentic and detailed. The anatomy of the face is crucial in getting the proportions right, so we'll take a closer look at how to measure and draw the different features. We'll also explore how to add subtle expressions and emotions to the face, which can make all the difference in capturing Lord Shiva's essence. When it comes to the damru and trident, we'll demonstrate how to add texture and dimension, making them look like real props. And to take it to the next level, we'll show you how to add subtle shading and highlights to give the sketch depth and dimensionality. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a stunning half-face sketch of Lord Shiva. The key moment will be when you see the sketch come to life as we add the final touches, highlighting the spiritual aura around Lord Shiva. This is where all the hard work comes together, and you'll be amazed at how a few subtle details can completely transform the sketch. We'll show you how to add a sense of energy and movement to the sketch, capturing the dynamic spirit of Lord Shiva. And to finish it off, we'll add some final highlights and textures, giving the sketch a sense of depth and dimension. By the time we're done, you'll have a sketch that's not only visually stunning but also deeply evocative of Lord Shiva's spiritual essence. As we work through the sketch, you'll start to see how all the different elements come together to create a cohesive and powerful image. We'll highlight the importance of paying attention to detail and how practice can help you refine your skills. And don't worry if your first attempts aren't perfect, the most important thing is to keep practicing and having fun with the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning half-face sketches of Lord Shiva that capture his essence and energy. To wrap up, we'll review the main techniques used and emphasize the importance of practice in mastering this art form. Remember, the key to getting better is to keep practicing and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and check out my other drawing tutorials for more tips and tricks.